Alright fam, we're here with another one. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We're at Koko Head. Trail the tram up. We're gonna do the staircase. It's gonna be hardcore. We're gonna get the whole trail. Buckle in, up tight. This is parking. The parking lot just opened at 6 o'clock. For all the info, I will show a little screenshot of Google Maps of where we parked right here. And then the trail just starts right off from that parking lot. There's some baseball fields. There's a bathroom a little farther down. So if you get here and you need to go potty, gonna hit it. It's gonna get hardcore. So let's go. Well, it is pretty steep. Feeling the burn, which is good. So you can see this is Hanama Bay. You can see all the cars waiting to go in. That's where we were a couple mornings ago. And we got this little bay, Hawaii, and a lot more to go. So we're gonna get a drink and then we will get back to it. Quickly, if the battery died during that last video, we've kind of at a crossroads. So you can go up this way, there's a bridge bypass, and then we got the steps up to the top. So probably the last like half mile or quarter mile. So I think we're gonna go up the tramway. We're gonna get on the time warp again. Shibuya. This is like break 20, 25. Getting better views. Look at that view. Dang, dang. I'm not gonna stand up for a second. We've got the jams playing in the background. It's not super hot. There's breezes every now and then, but sweating good, back soaked. I was telling Sophia, it probably doesn't help that we've been living at like 20-foot elevation for the last year, and we've hiked. When we have hiked, they've been a lot more horizontal than vertical, so that's good. We're getting towards the top. The time lapse was kind of hard to do with how vertical it was, so I kind of took a break from that, but here's a little view of how steep it is. See, we're almost to the top. Here's the bottom. It's kind of we're both kind of scared of is going back down. It's gonna be a steep one, so we'll see how it goes, and we'll see you at the top. right, fam, we made it to the top. Was a doozy for sure, right? What was your one advice to people?
I told you, I feel like people who are afraid of heights wouldn't like this hike.
You heard it, folks. It's a steep one, and there's lots of spaces in between all the tracks, so it's kind of like if you're unsure of your footing, like it's kind of scary. So
yeah, if you don't like your balance being off, you probably won't like the hike.
Yeah, so it was good. I'm trying to, there's not like a good we'll get a good straight down shot. Thought about getting, maybe we'll send the drone, you know, it's less windy on this side. There's just like a lot of kind of viewpoints. I got this video, so check, I'll point it out right now, of the other side. So great view of that. And jumping back over here, we got Hanauma Bay, like Hanauma Bay Ridge. And then Waikiki's way over there. Diamond Head, we'll link that video. I mean, we did Diamond Head, Hanauma Bay, and then Makapu'u Lighthouse, which I don't know if I can put 3 links in a video, but kind of cool. So that was the hike, that was the trail. You saw the time warp, so you get a good idea of just like kind of how long it is, how many steps. Let's see what time it is. We got here at a little after 6. It's 7:25, so took us like a little over an hour to hike the whole thing, and we took quite a few breaks. I'm pretty out of shape, so yeah,
There's a lot of people out here.
it was bad. There was a lot of people. Like, honestly, it gets to the point where you're just like stopping every couple of feet just because it is so hard. And so
I'm waiting for people, right?
yeah, waiting for people, just, you know, it's kind of a mix of like, okay, I'm gonna wait for this person and take a break. But we had a good time, and I think we're a little more scared on the way down, just the steepness. So you're right, Rob.
No falling.
No falling, so it'll be good. We'll see what we do. We're gonna hang up here for a second, just kind of relax and get our legs back together. A little more jello-y right now than they were an hour ago, so we'll come back and see what the video has to offer. Maybe some drone videos right now, maybe some later. Check it out. Alright, fam, we're on the way back down. Might get some video of us on the way down, you know, just to show you what kind of, what's up. We definitely get you a little video of how steep it is at the very end, because I didn't get much of that on the way up. And then we will take our time going down, because I can already feel it in my legs. They are sore. So we're super psyched you guys are still here watching the channel, and hope you enjoyed those drone clips. We make this stuff for you guys, so when you come here you can know what to expect, what to enjoy, and be prepared, you know. We got here early, which is nice, because, you know, the sun's still behind us. We're hiking in the shade.
Yes.
I can't imagine the sun being up above us and the heat like coming down. Like we would be burning. So
yeah,
we'll get down and get some snacks and see what else happens today. Catch you in a second. All right, fam, we're on our way down.
Cookie muffin.
If the little guy can do it, we can do it.
You're doing great.
I know, really trucking along. All right, we're here at the bottom. We made it. The going down was actually fairly easy.
Yeah.
I mean, other than like the fear.
A little bit.
Yeah, other than like the fear of falling, it was
Better than
a lot better.
Yeah.
And we just wanted to do a quick little shout out to the Coconut Coalition. They are saving the stairs, so they got a little GoFundMe. I'm sure if you just look it up on the internet and then the Coconut Coalition, you can volunteer at coconutcoalition.org. Highly recommend. They're saving the stairs. They're kind of torn up and making it easier. Like what they've done is so much easier to hike up. So
yes,
we're grateful for them. And you know, if you're here on Oahu and just want to go volunteer somewhere, I definitely recommend here. So
carry a bucket.
Yeah, carry a bucket up. They're just all there at the bottom of the stairs. So you just have to grab it and take it up. You know, if you're here in the next few months, you might need to be taking it up to the top. I don't know. So it'd be a doozy, but they're not really like full buckets. They're only like maybe like 4 inches or 5 inches of gravel. So
yep,
just a couple pounds. And if everyone takes a little, you know, teamwork makes the dream work. So yes, we're grateful for everyone that watches the channel. As always, like and subscribe. Love you guys. We'll catch you on the next adventure. And as we ended the last video, stay peachy.